Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GPOR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a nice day. Maybe not as exciting as what some people were thinking at one point, and rightfully so. I mean, there was a nice big gap up, but there was absolutely zero follow-through from the gap up. In fact, the price just pulled back after gapping up. But that's just looking at today individually. In and of itself, yeah, today may be a little disappointing. When you look at multiple days, then the price is actually maintaining itself, and it's holding in there, and it's still giving the overall, broader chart, a chance to accomplish something, which is very important. And that accomplishment has everything to do with that green line down there at 14 cents. And I've talked about this in past videos, but from the, again, bigger picture perspective. So I'm not talking about the perspective of some day trader that bought right there and planned, their plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes. I'm not talking about that perspective. From the bigger picture, viewpoint, you want to see the price make progress forward. And how is progress being defined? Well, by staying up above 14 cents. Because even if the price came down here, behaving in that manner, then started to work its way back upwards, I mean, what would you still have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows here. You'd have those lows down here. You envision those as stair steps. And bigger picture-wise, you'd still have progress being made. So yeah, disappointing that today's gap up didn't really get any sort of follow-through or anything like that. But again, from an overall perspective, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build that higher base. And that is by far what matters the most moving forward. Now, as far as areas of resistance, I'm going to go ahead and actually adjust this level down. Now that we have more data, it's become very apparent that this 20-cent mark is definitely going to be kind of the thorn in the side of the price if there is going to be any sort of further continuation. You can see both back there on Tuesday and then this morning on Wednesday, price got right up around that general vicinity and couldn't quite push through it. So I'm not saying that 20 cents can never be broken. I'm just saying that it's become very apparent now that if there is going to be any sort of continued momentum, then 20 cents is that first key hurdle that'll need to be cleared. But all in all, yeah, a little bit of a disappointing day today, but looking at multiple days, the price is hanging in there. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.